ഹായ് ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, പുതിയ വീഡിയോയിലോട്ട് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്നത്തെ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കോസ്റ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ടുമായി ബന്ധപ്പെട്ട 30 ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിൻ്റെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റാണ് റെഡിയാക്കിയത്. കഴിഞ്ഞ ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കോസ്റ്റ് അക്കൗണ്ടിൻ്റെ മോക്ക് ടെസ്റ്റ് പാർട്ട് 1 കാണാത്തവർ ഡിസ്ക്രിപ്ഷൻ ബോക്സിൽ ലിങ്ക് കൊടുത്തിട്ടുണ്ട്, അത് പോയി ഒന്ന് കാണണേ. എൻ്റെ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവർ പ്ലീസ് ഒന്ന് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യണേ. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസിലോട്ട് പോവാം. Question number 31. The ratios which reflect managerial efficiency in handling the assets is answer option A, turnover ratios. Next, the ratios which reveal the final result of the managerial policies and performance is dash. Answer option B, profitability ratios. Return on investment is a dash. Answer option C, profitability ratios. Net profit ratio is a dash. Answer option D, profitability ratio. Stock turnover ratio is a dash. Answer option A, turnover ratio. Current ratio is a dash. Answer option A, short-term solvency ratio. Proprietary ratio is a dash. Answer option B, long-term solvency ratio. Fixed assets ratio is a dash. Answer option B, long-term solvency ratio. Fixed assets turnover ratio is a dash. Answer option D, turnover ratio. The ratio which measures the profit in relation to capital employed is known as dash. Answer option A, return on investment. The ratio which determines the profitability from the shareholders' point of view is dash. Answer option C, return on shareholders' funds. Return on equity is also called. Answer option D, return on net worth. Preliminary expenses is an example of. Answer option C, fictitious assets. Prepaid expense is an example of. Answer option B, current assets. The ratio which is calculated to measure the productivity of total assets is dash. Answer option C, return on total assets. The ratio which shows the proportion of profits retained in the business out of the current year's profit is dash. Answer option A, retained earnings ratio. The ratio which indicates earnings per share reflected by the market price is dash. Answer option D, price earnings ratio. The ratio establishes the relationship between profit before interest and tax and fixed interest charges is dash. Answer option A, interest cover ratio. The ratio shows the preference dividend as a proportion of profit available for shareholders is dash. Answer option B, fixed dividend cover ratio. The dividend is related to the market value of shares in dash. Answer option D, dividend yield ratio. Turnover ratio is also known as dash. Answer option A, activity ratios. Inventory or stock turnover ratio is also called, answer option A, stock velocity ratio. Which ratio is calculated to ascertain the efficiency of inventory management in terms of capital investment? Answer option A, stock velocity ratio. The ratio which measures the relationship between the cost of goods sold and the amount of average inventory is dash. Answer option A, stock turnover ratio. Sales minus gross profit is equal to dash. Answer option D, cost of goods sold. Opening stock plus purchases plus direct expenses minus closing stock is equal to dash. Answer option D, cost of goods sold. Which ratio measures the number of times the receivables are rotated in a year in terms of sales? Answer option B, debtors turnover ratio. Debtors turnover ratio is also called, answer option B, debtors velocity ratio. Creditors turnover ratio is also called, answer option C, accounts payables ratio. Last question. The indicates the number of times the payables rotate in a year is dash. Answer option C, creditors velocity ratio. ഓക്കെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, നെക്സ്റ്റ് വീഡിയോയുമായി അടുത്ത ക്ലാസ്സിൽ കാണാം. താങ്ക് യു.